Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and tonight we're going to cook up a quinoa and vegetable bake. That's what I call it, a gratin, casserole type thing. It's almost like a vegetable lasagna if you use your imagination. But the first thing we're going to do, heat up some olive oil on medium-high heat, throw in some mustard seeds, some garlic. If you want a little bit of heat, throw in some red pepper flakes, or if you got a fresh pepper, chop that up and throw it in there. Give it about 30 seconds till things start to brown up, and then we'll toss our onion in there, stir that around for a few minutes, add some salt, and then we're going to introduce the quinoa. Now quinoa, we're going to treat it just like rice, 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water. So stir it around, throw your water in there, cover it up, let it come to a bubble. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to stir it. Then we're going to reduce the heat down to a simmer and let it simmer away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Usually I cook quinoa for about 15 minutes, but I only did it for 10 minutes here. So it's not quite done, and there's still water in there, but that's all right, because we're going to bake it. So it doesn't have to be all the way done. I'm going to put some seasoning in here, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Rub it between my hands to activate those flavors. And then I'm going to throw in some zucchini and some carrot. I got the zucchini diced into pretty small pieces and the carrot shredded. You don't want big chunks of vegetable in here, because you're going to want to be able to spread it out and smooth it evenly in your dish. And look at this thing. Boom, you know what that is? It's a celery root. It looks like it belongs in a Star Wars movie. It's so ugly and alien looking. But don't be frightened of it. It can't defend itself. Look, boom, it's helpless. You're the one with the arms. You have all the power. Although you're going to need that power, because as you can see, it's a little bit difficult to cut. You just have to believe in yourself. Lop off the ends, and then I'm going to cut it into some friendly sizes so that I can slice the skin off here. You're not going to be able to use a potato peeler or something like that. You're going to have to get your knife and go around and hack off that skin, and you need to slice your celery root into these thin slices, so it's almost like a pasta. Boom, I buttered up my little 1.5-quart gratin dish, threw some half and half in there with my quinoa mixture, mix that up, and now I'm putting a layer of that on the bottom of my dish. I'm going to spread it out nice and smooth, not too thick, and then I'm going to take some of my thin celery root slices and kind of put a little roof on there, just like I was making a lasagna. And then I'm going to take some more of my quinoa mixture, spread that out, and then I'm going to add some blue cheese, but use whatever kind of cheese you want. No, don't use whatever kind of cheese you want. Use blue cheese or feta cheese or something like that. Don't use cheddar cheese, because that sounds awful. Use ricotta cheese if you want. But just build this castle, this beautiful, lay your bricks to make this quinoa house of celery root. I don't know, look at the picture there, that says it all. So now once you got it filled all the way up, now I'm taking some breadcrumbs, mixing it up with some olive oil, and then I'm going to throw some salt, some pepper, a little more Italian seasoning in there, and then I'm going to take this breadcrumb mixture, stir it up so everything's nice and oily and mixed up, and then spread it over the top of your quinoa and veggie bake. And then, we're going to take and cover it up with tin foil and put it on a baking pan, slide it into an oven, preheated at 375 degrees for about 55 minutes, And then we're going to take our aluminum foil off, slide it back in, 5 minutes, boom, get the top there nice and brown and toasty and appealing. A knife will slide easily in and out, right through your celery root. And then there you have it. I've been using celery root a lot lately instead of pasta. I've made like some lasagna type things, using quinoa and some tomato sauce and sauces, all kinds of stuff, and I've done some different variations of this. I did one with just broccoli. So use whatever kind of veggies you like. But go ahead and give it a try, Let me know what you think, and bon appetit.